This video got 3.2 million views in just 8 months, and this video got over 800,000 views in just 3 months. And all they are saying is you can get paid $28 every 10 minutes or $43 every 30 minutes simply using Google Translate by just working 10 minutes a day. So I tried this method by myself, and in this video I'm gonna walk you through the entire process very quickly. I'm gonna be revealing my results, how much money do I make, and potentially a better opportunity. So make sure to watch this short video if you want to know if this side hustle works or you're just gonna waste your time. Also, if you want to win a $2,000 course that will teach you how to make passive income with affiliate marketing, make sure to watch this short video till the very end and comment what do you think about this video. Because I use a software that detects a person automatically who watches this video till the end and comments something random. And now I'm gonna announce a winner from my last video that I posted. I use this tool called Pick a Winner. So I'm gonna copy the link from my last video and paste it over here and click Pick a Winner, and it automatically picks a winner from the comment whoever watches this video till the end. So congratulations Dario Gerosa for winning a $2,000 course that's gonna teach you how to make passive income with affiliate marketing. And to receive the course, make sure you reach out to me on Instagram and I'll send you there. So yeah, this man's name is Mr. Reese, and he claims that you can actually make $900 a day using Google Translate, and all you have to do is literally spend 10 minutes a day using Google Translate. And motivated by this video, Justin posted a similar video on how you can make $43 every 30 minutes using Google Translate. So I went on to Google Translate just like they explained in their video and typed something here, for example hello, and I can translate this word into any language. So I'll select Spanish and it give me a Spanish version of hello to hola. Okay, so next step, they are telling us we have to go to CPA Grip, and what you have to do is simply share the affiliate link from this website. So if someone clicks on your link and submit their phone number or email address, you're gonna be making a lot of money. That's how easy it is, and you can get paid no matter where you are because it uses PayPal to pay you, and all you have to do is have a PayPal account. So I'm gonna register my account, and after that you can see over here that people are making pretty good money. Like this man made $112 just a few hours ago, this man made $190, and this man made $933, so on and so forth. So moving on to the next step, these men are saying that you have to go to offer tools and my offers. Alright, I'm inside the offer tab, and as you can see, these offers are paying us $1.12 every time if someone clicks on your link and submit their email. But in order to make $1,000 a day, you'll have to drive thousands of traffic, which not a lot of people can do. So these men are saying that we can make more money than $1 for an offer. What they are trying to explain is that we have to choose top countries with high value offer. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna select countries like France or maybe Mexico, and as you can see, it is paying $13 every time when someone clicks on your affiliate link and submit their email address, which is pretty good offer compared to $1 for an offer. And even if you manage to get 10 people to sign up through your link, you're gonna be making up to $500 a day. Okay, so far it sounds interesting. Next step, in order to start making money, you have to start promoting it. So I'm going to click on this offer, and what the offer says is we don't know because this is in the Spanish language. But what we're going to do is we're going to use Google Translate to know what the offer is about. So I'm going to copy this headline and paste it into Google Translate, and then I'm also going to copy this description as well as paste it into Google Translate. So as you can see, it says win $500 gift card, enter your mobile phone number now for your chance to win. So every time when someone decides to enter their phone number for a chance to win a $500 gift card, you're going to be making $13. So now what you want to do to get your affiliate link is you're going to choose a tracking domain. So let's choose a domain, and this is going to be your affiliate link. So next step, they are saying that you have to copy this link and go to bit.ly.com and show your affiliate link so that people will be more likely to click on your affiliate link. So I'm going to click on create link and I'm going to paste the link inside destination and hit create. And this is going to be our affiliate link. So copy the link, save it in a notepad, and then head over to this website, which they are claiming that you'll get over 1000 visitors guaranteed to your affiliate link from this website. Now Mr. Reese and Justin explain in their videos that not everyone gonna complete your offer. So let's say if 10% of those people complete your offer, so let's open calculator here. Now 1000 people minus 10%, that's 100 people. So if 100 people multiplies by $13.69, you'll make $1,369 a day if all hundreds of those people decide to complete the offer. But let's say even if only 10% of those 100 people complete the offer, so 100 people minus 10%, which is 10 people, and 10 people multiplies by $13.69, which is $136 a day, which is still pretty good amount of money by only doing 10 minutes of work. Okay, so moving on to the final step is that they told us to visit the website called trafficadbar.com. So I went on to trafficadbar.com, and in this website what you want to do is come here to bit.ly, copy your affiliate link and paste it over here. And here's where the Google Translate comes in. So go to Google Translate and it's gonna help us to translate our headline from English to Spanish. So come here to CPA grip and it says get a chance to win $500 gift card by just entering your phone number. So I went on to Google Translate and typed win $500 gift card by just entering your phone number and change it into Spanish version. And after that I copied this and came here to this website and pasted it over here. Now this doesn't allow more character in a single field, so I copied this line and pasted in the second field, and this is gonna be our ad, and this is what it will look like. So the language of our ad and website is Spanish because we're running this ad in Mexico, and what we have to do is select the Spanish language and scroll down and change the language to Spanish. And after that scroll down and you'll see the target countries where our ad will run, right? So select the country and write Mexico because that's our target country. And now all you have to do is just hit save and it will show our ad to thousands of people and we'll be making a lot of money as explained in those videos. So after I selected, it redirected me to this page which I had no idea about. So I read this, and what it's actually saying is in order to get 1000 website visitors to your affiliate link, you need to be in a level 10. What it means is, you see right here, it says when you are in level 0, you'll get 0 link clicks. When you are in level 2, you'll get only 2 link clicks, and you have to climb this rabbit hole ladder up to 10 steps to finally be able to get up to 1000 clicks to your affiliate link. Now just bear with me because things will get even more crazier. So I decided to click here to find out how can I finally get my link clicks, and I saw that your second goal is to earn hits, which is basically you have to view other websites in order to earn hits. So every time you view 25 websites, you'll get the opportunity to take your hits or exchange them for extra points. And what the extra points will do is it's gonna help you to climb the ladder from level 0 to level 10, which not a lot of people are willing to do because it's gonna take you hours and hours of opening and viewing those websites, clicking on those links and all this BS. And not just that, you also have to download the Traffic Ad Bar extension to start earning bonus points, which will get your computers thousands of malware and viruses and also steal your personal information. So there it is, my friend. This whole process is a scam. It's bullshit. It's BS. Mr. Reese is a scammer. Justin is a scammer. These grown-ass men have no shame of what they're doing because they don't care about you. It's clear that they have not made a single dime with any businesses. Their whole purpose is to make you watch their city videos and make money through YouTube ad revenue and from selling you scammy courses. So my friend, if you like this video, make sure to check this video if you want to learn how to make real money with affiliate marketing. And I welcome you to join my Discord community where I'm active almost anytime.